Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Now people obviously don't know I couldn't show the full video because of YouTube's rules. And the video was just a little bit too violent. But if you want to watch the full video, you can check it out on my Instagram at unstoppablelivetv and you can watch the full video over there, right? But people, I found that video very disturbing. In that video, what it showed was an officer literally beating a man like a bad slave. And all the man did do was reaching in the back of the truck to pull out him hat and put on him head. Now, be it that, yes, him probably should not have been on the road selling, right? As that is the law. But why you have to beat the man so? And then 4 to about 5 more of them run down upon the man. Now, give thanks. The man never tried to fight back. Come wouldn't like to know what would have happened if him did try to fight back. As me say, probably him never did for the on the road as sell. But all the man do out there try to fend for himself and him family. Where is the facilities that's created for vendors? Yet me know 1 and 2 they bought. But nothing say the market and the arcade them full. So people who are trying to fend for themselves have to go to a road, go try and throw down one little canvas on the ground with them goods, or build up one little stall out a road with them goods. This is not new do I know. Because a regular me see people out a road that sell and have to grab them chapalin with them clothes and them thing and run when them hear some metro come. Is this what you call taking care of your people? Is this what you call taking care of your citizens? When Metro come and take away the people them goods after them out there just try to make a way to survive. Them no get no receipt. Them no get no information as to where they can come and claim them goods. Even if them have to go reclaim them goods and pay a little fine. But no, Metro just throw everything in our back of truck and gone with it. What want to left people to do? Viewers, me have a brother who always voice him opinion and him concerns on certain things we go on at Jamaica. And I brother you have a full lengthy video right now sharing his insights. Take a listen.
Government of Jamaica. Now this independent thing when I talk about, I don't need to stop it now. I make the people them know so they're not independent. And I'm going to take the name and I leave bigger fight. And I trick some of the people who can trick. Yeah? I used to think that Jamaica independent, but I get to realize now, say, Jamaica people, Jamaica is not independent. It's not. Because number one, you have to rely upon England. Number one, you have a governor general down there where you represent for England. And we can't see how you have a governor general in Jamaica where you represent for England. The governor general can't tell you, so we have Rasta police over here. The governor general can't tell you, so you have police. We have work at Buckingham Palace with locks on them head. We have Rasta police in England, you know. We have Rasta immigration. We have Rasta people and we have Muslim. We have all type of nation over the world. Go back and look on the world and see how much people, how much place in the world. And everybody in this country work, right? No, me don't know the reason why Jamaica have a governor general. I can't see the reason. I don't know. I can't see the reason why Jamaican have a governor general. It's not necessary. Because the governor general in Jamaica only living the high life, right? And him not say nothing, him not put out too little sense in nothing at all and give instruction to the police commissioner, to the president, which call himself Andrew Holness, Minister of Security. Him not say nothing. The man call himself Andrew's Holness, yeah? Andrew's Holness. Him and the DPP, police commissioner, the Minister of Security, tough gun and the whole of them, and one set a bunch them, you know. They make up and hijack the country, you know. They make up and hijack the country. You can't go around them. You see all this girl here now where they cut off all her locks now. They can't go around them. Because what them go sit down in the meeting and them know them now put the police aside. Then still have the police them down there beat up people. See them beat up two other Rasta man again since week again. And them I use this curfew thing now for, I don't know if it's because I don't want to say power. Because it's not no power. they might use it for the wrong reason. Right? The wrong reason they might use this curfew thing for. Because we have COVID in England, you know, and we have soldiers over here and police, you know, but they use the army over here to give vaccination and do things. We have them to do different things. We don't have them on the street to beat the people. We don't stop people from going about their business. They close on whatever for close on for safe gathering. Open place are necessary. We don't want to see the people stand up there, some people stand up there and whatever. But we still have bus around 24 hours and train. So people need to go about their business. Them hungry no want to gathering. That them worry about. But on a gathering, don't worry about, you know, and use this type of thing for your power, you know. If somebody come home and then 5 minutes behind the curfew time, you don't see a curfew time, what the fuck that if you do anything? I'm late. I'm running late. Even the plane where I come at airport can delay. Anything can late. But then can't help nobody if you go where them are going, you know. Them are beat and them are lock up and them are beat up and them are box up and them are kick up. You know, so one bloody bunch of either to me. I see Jamaican I get more backward or anything else. Them are get more backward. No. You, Mr. Prime Minister, Andrew's wholeness of Andrew's, yeah? You pick up yourself from Kingston and run, go down to Manchester for give a girl hand out money to a girl because she says she want help. Remember, you know, she have a job already, but she want to leave her job and do something, which is good. Nothing really wrong about that. You could have given her $1 million, yeah? But you pick up yourself from Kingston and go down a country. If you go show the media, say, you are go a country, go give a girl money to help her business. Me see a guy company thing one day and say, him have how much all levels or whatever him have, and he want a job. Why the police force couldn't send call him and go for him and make him join the police force and find something give him? Why the government couldn't show us? Alright then, people like you, we will help. But you know what you do? You go down a country, you go take photo, do a photo shoot, and then you turn around, you and your colleagues and I got talk about people must use the social media in that form. So what you try people tell people say now, say, if a son use the social media, then you know we are alright. But we don't want to use it for the wrong reason for send out no type of cussing people because when I get arrested same way. Yeah? Use it like this and we will get help. No, that's wrong. Your duty is to help the people in your country. You should have some agency where you set up to help people and people can get some loan for borrow and do their business and pay it back, business loan for do whatever they want to do and help themselves and encourage them for them open an account and can get a loan to do whatever they want to do and pay back the interest and whatever. That if you do to the country, make people can get help. See a little boy get beaten from his stepfather and dead because the mother never have no choice. I've been with this old dirty man. We have been look at you to eat food because she need help. So that's why she could put herself with this man. If you don't help your people in your country in any form of way, this girl would need to do that. And no, she want to bury her son and she can't bury her son because she don't have the money to bury her son and you couldn't do that. You couldn't help. You couldn't do that. You see, they take a little girl from up in a jungle and kill her and take her 50,000 and give her. And that is foolishness. Me I give her more than that. And I work, and I sell drugs. And I could have take 50,000 or 80,000 and give the woman for bury her daughter. And I could have do better than that. No, me see a girl there, I show you how she get gunshot from one member, from a soldier, female. And you can't compensate her. Her life is threatened to leave the case alone. Me see soldier go on Elliston Road and shoot a guy where sit down on the veranda and eat him sachets. And him born. The one son the woman have. I want to kill him. Where the compensation there? Jamaica people don't get compensation, you know. Before you give them compensation, you send somebody go kill them and make it look like a criminal. You don't give out compensation to nobody, no help nobody, no, so we can't understand how you pick up yourself and go down a country go hand out money to one person who said they want to run a bar. You see, I like the girl, you know, later on a year, so she becomes a counselor. Because I'm going to put her where you want her. Right? You could have picked up yourself, go down a country if you go hand out money to give to somebody to show the whole country what you do. And then you have the little idiot that know who behind you. I say yes. Me not big you for that. Because that alone I show me say. And you go take the youth from out underneath him bed. And you go send for the guy down a sentence for them arrest him and penalize him. Police are use them own phone and take him picture from in him house and I put it out there. No police station in Jamaica don't have no camera. Any police can walk in a station and do anything. We not run barber shop in a station. We not run house. The police them there them warn that the police and pepper spray them warn that our female police get shoot from a next police officer. All them type of something there. And we not do nothing about it. Now you see the man down a 4 pass whosoever in charge of the police station there. And not him for losing job, you know. And the girl will trim the hair for lose her job, you know. And the man in charge of the station for lose him job, you know, the senior super whosoever, you know, because you see, you don't qualify if you have that job. Because you see, if you're in charge of your people in the right way or doing the right thing, then the police woman would need to do that. Because they know so they have somebody to report to. Over them a place so that the police say we're in charge of the station have to walk away and resign, you know. Because the first thing I say you let down the people them. But you know what now? I just maybe the police woman alone may probably lose her job, you know, because the pressure in the whole world of pressure it, you know. But and she alone for lose her job, you know. Whosoever in charge of the station for go to, you know, for lose her job, you know, qualify for be whosoever he is, you know. You know, qualify. I same thing like the man down a prison, the person who in charge of the prison. How can you have somebody in a prison and a man in a prison for 50 years and you don't know nothing about it? The person who have to check out the prison and you don't realize you have a man in a prison where in a lockup is supposed in time is up and how long is someone there. So where's no book work? Where the book work for know who he know for what they do for what they do for and what time they're supposed to come out. And I have somebody in there locked up and I can't bet to say that the person is getting a compensation. So I don't take the people and eat that because you know so the people can't talk. You know, that's why most people have to leave Jamaica and go abroad. You know, me leave Jamaica and go abroad and I have to go sign. Give up my right to get the people in passport. Which they can send me back down at any time because I get it under terms and conditions. So if I fuck myself, I don't know about them and send me. Not because I might have a people in passport overseas. But to make people have to leave the country to go America, England and Canada and if you go do citizenship. Jamaica shouldn't have to leave and go if you could do no citizenship in Jamaica. Should just go leave and go look money and come back and build in the country, you know. Every Jamaican should can leave Jamaican and go abroad, go work and come back and build them. Because most Jamaica just want house and car. That's all they want, house and car and business. So every Jamaican should be able to leave and go abroad, go work the money and come back and come build up their house and buy a car and live normal. But they can't do it. Most of them leave to go abroad, to come back to do that and then nobody come back. Enough of them start the journey already and then they stop. Based upon how now go on out there now. I can't blame the criminal, I have to blame Uno. Because every gun you find on the island, it's not going nowhere now. They're right back in the country. It's not going nowhere. The gun they will not find the same place and they never show the public yet how to destroy one gun and where them going now. Then the same place back down there. That's why police can have gun and then carry back a drive. Who when them shoot gunman and can put it back on them and replace it back on the crime scene. You know going nowhere down the same way, them sell it and give it to different people. You know come off of the island. So all the gun them down there where people send down, them not gone nowhere. When people say, oh, 2 more guns come off our street, come off our street. They just come out of them, the man, the hand and gone a different hand. It not gone nowhere. But, Mr. Prime Minister and Mr. Minister of Security and Mr. Commissioner of Police and you look at Governor General, I don't rate to know. And you hijack the country. And I use the DPP as well and the whole of one breakfast club. I don't really rate to know. But the people they want starfish and flour. That's why they have to be themselves. But you never concerned about you look a Rasta girl with their trim. How you can draw for the policeman and make them know and suddenly to talk to people. Because I watch you when you used to campaign. When you used to campaign, you know, I never saw you used to carry on, you know, you used to talk how people must come out and speak their opinion and voice their opinion, you know. And you used to speak up against the people. You used to speak up for the people and say the police they must stop brutalize the people and all that or something, you know, when you want to put yourself in a power. Right? And you get yourself in there. I know you're still in a seat and you actually forget where you're coming from. You could have leave our country and carry money down there. You could show off and fool the public. Whatever you do, if you make your camera shoot, your video shoot, People buy into that. People who stupid buy into that. But we know you can't fool some people. You fool some of the people in some of the time, but you can't fool them all the time. The one who were dieted and believe in you, they may listen to whatever you're saying. But whosoever not dieted, they're not going to listen to whatever you're saying. They have sense and they know how to go about things. And you're there fooling the public. Right? Some of the people them. Now this Rasta girl and cut off her locks. And you know, come out publicly and say nothing. You haven't say nothing. Absolutely nothing. You make two little talk the other day, people have to go search that run a corner, run a one corner, to go read up on that. But you know, come out publicly and speak. But you could have come out publicly with money if you show the world though. Right? So whatever you do, you're not doing, you know. You're not doing it. I see you do one thing already when me personally appreciate. When we see you could lift, take the plane from Jamaica and come to England. Come talk about the people and reinvest money. We'd appreciate whatever you're doing. I mean, have all people over here who cuss me out. Cuss me out because they say you're a puppet. And the person who cuss me out, them he be British, black British, and they never like what you doing. I say, no man, left me just start a young man. And we like we say, man, do. Because me are one person who used to take up for you, you know. I used to take up for you and follow you and watch you and show you carry on. You know? I used to take up for you. And most of the people right now get to hate you who you let down, you know. All of the people who used to appreciate you, we have sense, and them hate you because you let them down. You let down all them people there. You leave all the way from Jamaica, come to England, come sort out the rich people. And all of the people now get nowhere because I see that the Queen will buy you out now. The Queen will buy you out. Yeah, because the Queen don't want to pay the Jamaica representative money where the people are supposed to get. Yeah, the Queen want to get you in them pockets so they can write off the debt. Where Jamaica supposed to get them reparation money, they now get that because they put you in place now where they can use you for sit down for the people them. So the people can claim back their money. Yeah? So that's why they might use you to sit down for we. So they can save that money and shut up we. Right? We now get back no reparation money. We now get back them type of money there. Because they have Andrew Holness now and somebody in Jamaica where if you deal with that. Oh, nobody never take that position. Nobody see I go, nobody never take that position besides you. Because you know what? You want to build up a bigger house, build a bigger house and straighten your wall, tall up your wall more taller. You want to bring up your concrete wall more, yeah, after our money. Yeah, you run come to England, come chat up your mouth. For the rich people, they want to see it, they all know. They might deport people along there, all know. We see you talk to the British government, say must hold on a bit because the COVID and whatever. The government over here say no, they have to come out. Can you talk to the government over here, you know? Say if you hold on for the deportation, the government over here say no. You say no. You have to deport the people them. They now listen to you. The mongrel order you. But yes, still you're going to represent for the Queen. You're going to be Queen Council. Yes, still. You see an idiot. You see a puppet. You're a puppet, you know. But you don't go and make life easier for your own self and make it harder for other people. Yeah? The person who is in charge of the police station, the senior super, whoever is supposed to lose them job, they're supposed to hold accountable. The man who spray the pepper spray in the vehicle with the people in a passenger vehicle is supposed to get arrested and charged as well. Yeah? They're supposed to get arrested and charged. Nobody not talk about that. The girl spent 6 days or 5 days in a lockup and still pay the full amount of money. Right? Nobody not talk about that. She shouldn't have to pay so much money because she spent more than half of the days already in a lockup and still pay and lose her locks and being trimmed. Right? We don't have police station but we can't look after the people. Let me tell you this, we get arrested in England already. And when we get arrested in England and go to England, everything in my pocket, I have to give it. Some even some could receipt, I never know some got it's like a full food, I have to give it and then put in some cheese and I have to sign back for it and I come out. Sign for what I give them. Nobody can touch it, nobody can ask some rubbish. Somebody says the police say, no, I can't chuck it in. I say, no, we can't throw it away. You have to collect it back when you're going outside. Right? Me see my friend come to Jamaica and get arrested and have much money in his pocket and he couldn't get it back when he come out of the station. Nobody knows which party there. Nobody got a CCTV camera. Nobody have nothing. Everybody just do them thing. Everybody just one set of crook with this big book and this big booking on the station. Nothing. But yes, still on the social media though. Yes, still don't have computer on the yard and don't have iPhone and everybody have social media and this. And the social media when it's supposed to have in a police station, I don't have it. That's enough have it, you know. When somebody come to a station and give a report, it's supposed to get up on the system. Say if you're a man to go be, you can call up or you can call up or you get a reference number, you have a reference number upon whatever. When we give a report over them a place here, you give the report and them type in everything and put in everything and print it off and give it to you, make you sign it with a reference number. And you don't have to go back at the police station, you can go any one of them. You can sit anywhere and call up and give them a reference number and then, oh yes, they know what the case is all about. You know, if it be the same policeman where they sort you out. The police over here can't take you and carry a station and go put it down on a bench and go and them in lunch and left it there to sit down. That can't happen yes, because I work, them I work. Them type of thing that I think we need to stop and we need to wake up and get civilized. Police take you to the station, leave you, lock you up and say, lock up them two boys, man. Boy, no, you can't do that. You can't. People have rights. So where's the people and rights? I'm not talking about fucking independent. We come to this country, this is a place of independent. We never vote at Jamaica yet, you know. But I sure know some vote as because I have a right to vote, so I know I have vote for. I see the reason for vote. I never given my vote yet. I mean, like, you know. These don't pay no jail. But I want to know so my country have a good prime minister to look after the people and give me courage to vote and make me want to vote for you now. I'm happy to vote for you now. Like when you are a Rasta man talk to Unstoppable this man and tell him. But you see the way you stay, you make we afraid of UNO. We overseas afraid of UNO as a government and as a police officer. Because we see the police officer them down there as more licensed criminal more than gunman. We see them more corrupted, we see them more wicked, we see them more thief, policeman. They tap it on the road and take all the money all the night. And you realize you have money and criminal get the blame and probably kill you too because they want the money. We're afraid of them. And we're afraid of UNO. So UNO make people like we over here now and come back. UNO make people like we over here now and come back, you know. I want to deal with people I want to put in place. Nobody know all accountable for nothing. Nobody, because you see policeman, you know, I shouldn't she all accountable, you know. I should have a boss. And whoever she in charge, whoever in charge of she should have all accountable. Them blood should have run, head should have chop off. Whoever in charge of the station, whether a senior super or whoever, or anybody where she commander, should have wake up. Them should have all accountable for all of this, you know. Them now all accountable for all of this. Them now. Them are going more pressure this woman and I will cut the police girl, I will cut the Rasta girl here. She will get pressure, you know. But then shouldn't she get pressure? She, I mean, she's supposed to get pressure, yes. But you know what now? You see, if she did know, say, she, her boss, I go hold her responsible and because the whole of them are the same thing, and they with each other, them are go each other here, go near and go have lunch and all that type of stuff. So them is just one set of people. But when you have somebody who is in charge of you, and you know your job title, you know your job description, you know your job, you know what your job is all about, then you know so you can't do something like that. So your boss supposed to say you damn well know your job. You damn well know what you're supposed to do. So me not going to take the blame for you. But nobody not going to tell her that. They're going to more protect her and send her go somewhere and say, oh, let them sit there and talk and whatever. Because you know, no one that down there, you know. Because in England, we have Rasta police, and that makes you want to know. We have police, we have long locks, both black and white. In England, me come see that. Ask anybody. Police, when they having long locks on their backside, Jamaica police can't have long locks because I know you can't join the force with that, and you can't do that. So who are idiots? Who are they behind time? How come no independent? How come no civilized? How come? How come you have Rasta doctor over here, immigration doctor, and police Rasta over here and all them type of people, and Jamaica can't have that because you can't be a police and that's why you can't catch criminal because you can't get no undercover people, not too bossy. Over here so we have undercover people, you can't know who them is. If you see a Jamaican undercover police, you see me, you see him for our shorts and socks and knapsack on him back like him a tourist. That's not enough. That's not enough. You're supposed to have Rasta woman. Woman we are Rasta undercover police. And she have locks. Man have locks. People look all type of way. For these guys themselves, people that rather sell back juice, people that rather dig roll or do all type of sitting. We don't can't know some police. But we can't do that. We don't could do that. We can't catch gunman, you know. We don't have no sense and nothing at all. We don't protect yourself and rob the community and rob the people them. But you and you all this, your time will come. Your time will come. Just remember that.
Remember, I'm telling you now, you can go over my Instagram and go check out the video if you don't want to watch it. Alright, it's at unstoppablelivetv. If you go over there, give me a follow too, it's appreciated. See? Comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think about this whole video. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.